discover the world of tiny living things. Have you ever wondered what tiny living things are all around us? Even though we can't see them, get ready to explore the amazing world of microorganisms. What are microorganisms? Microorganisms are super tiny living things. They are so small that we need a special tool called microscope to see them. This is the microscope. They live everywhere in the soil, water, air, and even inside our bodies. These microorganisms are invisible to the eyes. When we can see under microscope, at that time only we can see them. It is the microorganisms are surrounded everywhere, like it is around us, like it lives in soil, water, air, and even inside our body. For visualization of microorganisms, we need a special tool called a microscope. This microscope helps to visualize the microorganisms present in the body or in the soil or in the air. Everywhere we can see with the help of microscope. Meat bacteria. These are also the tiny microorganisms. These are in different shapes, like tiny shapes and big impact. These microorganisms, bacteria, these are present in very small. These can be seen under only under microscope. These are all, as you can see, these microorganisms are very small. These microorganisms cannot visible to our naked eye. It only seen with the help of, what is that? Okay, it is called a microscope. We have bacteria comes in different shapes. As you can see in this figure, these bacteria contains tiny balls and also rods or spirals. They are found almost everywhere. These bacteria found everywhere in soil, water, even inside you. So for small children, everyone is suggested, while you touch something, while you kept hands in soil, and while you touch the any other bad things, so before eating or before keeping your hand in your mouth, so please wash your hands, because these microorganisms surrounded everywhere. So for that reason only we have to wash our hands frequently. So here we have two types of bacteria. Some is good bacteria and some is bad bacteria. In our stomach also we have these good bacteria and bad bacteria. Means good bacteria means they are super helpful. They help us make yummy curd from milk and even digest the food in our tummies. And bad bacteria, but some bacteria can make us sick, causing diseases like typhoid. It is important to wash your hands to keep the good, bad ones away. Fun fact, some amazing bacteria can actually glow in dark, just like tiny living night lights. So meet our next microorganism, that is fungi. These fungi, you can see these fungi in our homes, especially on bread, or sometimes you can forgot to open something and inside that there is some food. At that time these fungi will grow within 2 or 3 days. We can see the black color fungus. So why it will be produced black color is due to melanin. If it is in the form, it is in the color black. So fungi can grow easily everywhere. So as you can say, these fungi, these and microorganisms are also present in the free air. So at that time these fungi will grow within 2 or 3 days. We can see the fungi. So these fungi can look like a fluffy molds growing on old bread, or even like the mushrooms you can see in the forest. They love damp places. They grow on old food and in the moist areas. Some are used to make delicious foods and life-saving medicines. So these days, from these fungi are also used for the treatment of various diseases, because some fungi have different. If we explore the fungi to high temperatures, they will produce some secondary metabolites. These secondary metabolites have the capacity to treat have the capacity for capacity to treat the various diseases like diabetes and other malignancy cancer diseases and other diseases also. Protozoa. The protozoa is a tiny animal like movers. Protozoa are tiny animals. These are found in water, soil, and even inside other organisms. Other living things are living organisms. They have a cool ways of moving around. As you can see the figure here, as you can see the protozoa here, we can see that they have a flagella and also tail. Flagella means with this flagella means tails and cilia means hair. With the cilia, they can swim and crawl, and with the flagella, they can move from one place to another place. These protozoa lives mainly in ponds, lakes, and even in the soil. And these protozoa also cause some sickness like uh, Plasmodium. Some type of protozoa, like especially Plasmodium, they cause diseases such as malaria. So the fun fact about this protozoa is it is an amoeba, a type of protozoa that can magically changes its shape, always moving and swishing around. Our next microorganism is algae. You can see algae in green color. So we are calling it as green smiles and ocean giants. These are called as green smiles and ocean giants. These fungi, these algae look like a green smile and long standards floating in water. You can see them only in ponds, lakes, and even the vast oceans. These fungi is also used in food makers. Just like plant algae have a chlorophyll and make their own food using sunlight. And also these these are also super helpful. Like some algae are used to make things we can use every day like toothpaste and even food supplements to help us stay healthy. The fun fact of algae is, did you know the giant seaweeds are actually a type of very large algae? They can grow super tall in the oceans. Good microorganisms versus bad. A quick look. And we have studied up to now, we have seen like different microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and algae. For these microorganisms can be used for good things, and also they cause the harmful diseases. What are the good things means they make cut and help digestions, and harmful diseases means it cause a typhoid. These fungi cause, with the help of the fungi we are making the breads which are we are eating, and also this fungi especially nowadays it mainly useful in medicines, and it is also cause a ringworm disease. Next, protozoa. This protozoa used in for cleanliness of clean water, and also it cause malaria. Algae make oxygen, and also it is used in food. Algae make water dirty like algal bloom. So far we can see the different microorganisms, their goodness and badness. And now we are seeing the amazing world of microorganisms. These microorganisms are very tiny. As we can know, these microorganisms only seen with the help of microscope. Yes, you are correct. But they play a huge role in our world. From helping us food to producing oxygen, they are essential to life on earth. They are invisible wonders. They impact our lives, and they're also essential for us. So next time, wash your hands or eat a slice of bread. Remember the amazing teeny living things at work all around us. For next video, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Please, if you want any type of this information, please comment down below, so I will make the next PPT with your choice. Thanks for watching. Bye.